In this video, I'll show you how to add a text spin out animation where your text rotates and spins out of the screen in a smooth, energetic motion. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well with rotation effects. Bold and clean fonts usually look best, so the spinning text stays readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Spin Out to. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text rotate and spin outward, creating a dynamic exit effect. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need any extra layers or effects. To control the speed of the spin, use the duration slider. Drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic spin out, or drag it to the right for a fast and energetic exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it matches the rhythm of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a text spin out animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.